Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Statesman Conceptis Sudoku puzzle on July 24, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. 8th row, we have 4, 8, 3. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We'll confirm later. The 9th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column H, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, column J, we have 1 and 2 pair numbers. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cells. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J and third row, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second row, third, fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column G and second grade, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Column I, you already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. Column C, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, column B, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we'll already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column D, we'll already get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column G, you already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. then 8 is here. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 3. Fifth row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, to confirm later. Then fifth row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 1, 7. Column F, we get 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Second row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Fourth row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fourth row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column G, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Seventh row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second row, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.